Hello everyone, welcome to IsThisSpam Chrome extension walkthrough. So what you do is first instance you click on add to Chrome, and after you add it you will get a icon like this. And again, make sure that you check all these so that you are safe. So there's a couple of options. The first one is being Gmail protection, which we excel at, and there's the social media protection. Again, there's the all other websites, so works on any other website that you visit. And there's a browsing protection. So what you do then is you go to settings, or again, it is free for individuals up to a limit, so you can use it without signing in. Again, once you sign in, there's more privacy focused options available, or you can buy one of our lifetime keys for a very reasonable price. And yeah, at the AI settings, by default, the IsThisSpam service is selected, or again, you can point it to one of the other options. We use zero log servers. Plus, again, we have Olama that you can use. You can bring your own model. So we have the reports dashboard where you can see all the reports, export them as PDF. Yeah, so that and then again filter based on the parameters. And yeah, and I guess the next option is the help and FAQ. And here are some of the help options that are available for our extension. Yeah, enough of the tech. Let's go check some emails, right? So the best place to start, I guess, would be to start with the spam emails, right? See how well the model operates. So if you click on check spam on this obviously spam email, it'll come back with a phishing email, which is part of a scam. And you can see these details that the AI has picked up. And again, the first checks are always going to take longer, but again, in this case, Google flagged it as spam, but it's not. So our AI engine rightly identifies it being not so. And again, there is a third one. It is a spam because I didn't sign up for it. And the same thing with Simply South. If I just click here, same spam. Again, the first checks take longer. So if I go try one of the examples from here, for example, I'm just going to go with one of these Reddit ad campaigns for myself. So what it's doing is it's capturing the email data, sending it to our AI engine for analysis. So and again, coming back with the response. And again, there's some clever tricks that we do in the middle to make sure that the AI understands what the context is. Plus, we do a lot of we have an engine that works on top. So in this case, it's rightly identified that this is not a spam email because again, there's obviously the second checks will always be faster, and you can move this window like this as well. Yeah, again, hope you will enjoy this extension. And again, one more thing that I want to add is you can go to isthisspam.org and sign up for a plan. So again, you can either continue with Google, again, with more options coming in soon, or you can use your email address to sign up. Doesn't matter what email you have. And by default, you can then sign up to a free plan. And once you sign up, you go to the you have a plan assigned. In this case, I can manage my subscription from here. So in this case, I am signed up for a ultimate plan. So we have pretty reasonable options available. So pricing wise, we have the free plan, which once you sign up, you get this for free. And we have the ultimate personal. Again, this is for personal accounts. And again, you can use it for a company as well. But this one has unlimited email, website scans, and again, priority AI analysis, email support, things like that. And again, we have a limited time offer right now of 20 USD or 29.99 AUD for unlimited scans or using your own AI model. Again, everything's offline with this model. Of course, you have better data controls, and if you are an enterprise customer, you can choose one of these. Or if you want better support or better custom quote, you can always contact us for a enterprise plan. And how you log into the extension using your plan is you simply click here, settings, general, sign in, click. As you already signed into the website, it already knows who you are. And now, as you can see, you are signed in. So There you go. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, happy that you are part of the journey. Cheers.